Hello guys, welcome to the channel. All right, we have here a laptop to apply a sticker on it. All right, this is Sony laptop. All right, Sony PC G 51511L. all right, that's the model number. All right, this is done by Soundwell Ebetu. All right, here you can see how he's doing it. Okay, he's making sure everything is smooth. All right, applying it smoothly to the surface. Okay, after this, the next step we all know that is to cut out the edges. All right, you see how nice it is. It will look at the same. You can't even differentiate whether it is a sticker because the color is a silver, just like the laptop. All right, so after him budding the edges, then he has to cut out those edges out. Okay, he's using a needle to do that. Remember the instruments you need when you are doing a laptop sticker. You need a needle, you need a burner, which is a lighter, anyone. You can also use a workstation. You can lower the temperature, it can still work for you. Okay, then you need a cutter, a razor to use to cut out each of those parts that is necessary to be cut out. All right, then also for the carving, you can use your needle to do the carving. All right, to have an accurate measure when you are doing it. Okay, so after this, he's going to carve the logo of the Sony out. Okay, after he has done carving it, make sure each of the edges are well carved out. As you are seeing how he's doing it, he's making sure each of these edges are carved out. Okay, we all know from my videos that I've been doing about stickers that I've been saying yes, the main reason why you should do this is to beautify your system, make it to avoid dust, alright, and scratches. And what if I tell you that apart from we doing a plain sticker like this, we can also do a customized sticker where you have something you want to you feel like a hobby or something that you want to portray, like will I say okay, like your personality. Okay, like if you like, let me give you an example. Like if you love a particular sport, like an Arsenal, Chelsea, all those kind of laptop stickers, we can still brand something like that for you. Okay, it's possible to brand something like that. Okay, also maybe you have you're an animation kind of person who love animation, you can also do that for you. So doing this beautify the system, also give you the personality. All right, okay, even though you are a tech, you have a tag of a logo, you want it to be carved or you want it to be on your system, we can help you place it perfectly for you. Okay, if this video you find it helpful, please do well to subscribe, like and share these videos to your friends, those that need it, and you also recommend us. We do a perfect job, as you can see here. All right, next, what he's going to do after burning each of those edges is we are going to cover the logo, which you're seeing he's doing now. He's going to cover the logo, and using a needle is best for this. It's going to give you the best shape. It's just like you drawing out. It's going to be easier when using a needle. If you want to use a razor, you may make mistake while doing that. Okay, so it's very easy while using a needle. Okay, and doing that looks neat and clean and properly made. All right, after doing that, it's going to remove it. Okay, places that do not look cut, is going to use the razor to do that, and which you are seeing is cutting out those places. Okay, all right, so if you need us to do this, please do well to reach out to us. You can contact us. All right, you check our description, you see where we post our products on our Facebook, and also we have short videos where we post our products. Mind you, those products are for sale. It's just not just an entertainment we are doing. Those products are for sale, and You can patronize us. We are here to also recommend the best system you need for any kind of task you are looking at. If it's design, if you're looking at going to the world of programming, all right, coding, that's what I mean. If you are looking at going into copywriting, we can give you systems, documentation systems that can help you in your research. We have them all available. Okay, what you just have to do, you can follow us on our Facebook. You will see our products. The updates will be given on the new products we have at hand. All right, we are almost done here. Thank you for watching this video, and you'll see me in the next video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. You see how neat it is? You see how wonderful it looks? All right, we'll see you next. Bye.